I am going to be discussing break levels and how they break out and how we trade them. I want to just look at a few different points here. I think we'll go to the hourly levels here, and we're going to do this on gold. Break levels are notoriously going to be points that you can trade. They almost become automatic trades if you know how to deal with them properly. I'm going to just mark some break levels on the screen here. We're on the hourly time frame. That's the one we've selected. And we're just going to look at break levels. So break levels have a very certain way they work. And I guess I'm going to draw this out first. You have a break level like so. You have 2 wicks of a candle. And typically what's going to happen is you are going to hit your break level. And let's say this is the hourly break level, which we are going to be looking at today. You will see if that break level is going to break by understanding what the time frame down candle is doing. So if this was a 15-minute time frame, for example, 15-minute, if you were to hold rejection as target on this, you are going to break that break level. You are going to go up above it, and you are going to want to rebuy this every single time because it's going to skyrocket in the other direction. And this is how we tell if break levels are going to break. So a little bit more of an advanced look on break levels is we use +1, -1 with break levels and rejection as target, just like we talked about the previous week where breaks target, rejection as target. So last week we talked about that with a logic flow diagram, how break levels like this, break levels specifically, that's about the worst B I've ever drawn. Break levels specifically target rats, rejection as target, right? And then hold levels specifically target ladder points. So that's kind of just what it is. You hold levels target ladder points, break levels target, rejection as target. That's how they develop their architecture. So when you have a break level, like said diagram here, where you have a 1 hour break level, you've got your candle here and you've got another candle here like this, and they're both blue, right? They're both colored in blue or white if it was the other way, of course, like this, it would be here. When you hit that break level, the time frame, the -1 time frame is going to be the dictator of if this thing goes through the break level or not. So say if you were in a long right here, you entered a long at whatever level. And I think at this point it's clear, and we can actually just go look at the at some examples here. I think if you have, okay, so you have a 4-hour level here, right? So you have, let's go and take a look what I've marked here. You have a 4-hour break level right here. So that's fine. You have a 4-hour break level right here. And I guess we could just start right there. We can just actually go and cut it off right here and start right here. I'm on TradingView. There we go. You have a 4-hour break level. When that break level hits, you are going to have rejection as target. So this hourly level right here, we're going to go one more candle here. This hourly level here. Okay, and so this didn't do it. This hourly candle, if this continues to hold the target down, this break level is collapsing. So your -1 time frame, rejection as target, will always hold the price down. And if that is in succession, your break level is gone. So let's just actually walk through this. It would be the same thing here. You have what is this, an hourly break level? And then let's go look at the -1 time frame. This is what's going to try to hold the move and break it up. It's also going to act as polarity on the move. So if you went to like a 1-minute candle, or, we can just go down one time frame even maybe. You got there. Now let's go to the 1 minute. Screw it. You can see that the 1-minute time frame to try to break this break level, the 1 minute, the 15-minute time frame, we can see the 1 minute trying to hold that part of the move. If it can hold that part of the move, it is going to break that break level. So we can go back to this, take a look here, and just go forward a few candles and just look at kind of these break levels that I've marked here, because you got a break level there, break level there. Okay. Are we going to break over this break level? Yeah, yes, we are. It would have had to reject and pull back to here in that moment. And it doesn't. It just actually goes right through it. So that's perfectly fine. And then let's just go back to our hourly. Let's look at the next one. Oh, here too as well. Just actually go straight through. Okay, well, that went a little faster than expected. Go to your 15-minute time frame. If this holds the move is breaking. And this is where you're always going to see exactly if break levels are going to break. If you hold above your -1 rejection as target, I can just go to like a 4-hour or something. Is there any 4-hour break levels? There's actually one right here. So then you could go to the 1-hour break level right here, and you could see if this holds. So let's take this. Wait a second. This is the 4-hour. Okay, I was wondering what happened there. That's the 4-hour. This is your 1 hour right here. If this holds, the break level's gone. Like, it will break its move. you can go to this time frame and you can see that you actually didn't even come back down and test the break level. So actually gold is not a really good example here, but maybe we can find something else on gold. Maybe we can just look at some other time frames. Oh, this break level here looks good. What about this one? Let's try. Oh, is this even a break level? It's not a break level. Okay, what about this one? That break level actually broke one in this case. So we have no, okay, right here. Here's a good one. You have a break level here, right? The 4-hour time frame. We take our replayer tool and we're going to cut it here. Go to our hourly time frames. And when your level gets hit, you will only break this move if your rejectionist target, which is actually this one right here, will hold the move down. So if you go to your -1 time frame and you see that you're hitting this on this side, you're going to break the move down. If you start getting over top of it, you can start developing a move up. And so we can just even go to a 4-hour candle here, hit play for a little bit. Oops, hit play for a little bit there, go back to this 1-hour break level, and we can see that this right here actually broke the move, and you can see that you tried to hold it right there, right? So when you have any break level test, if you're holding underneath it, you're immediately breaking that level. We can even try to find some more break levels inside of this example to create kind of like, you don't have one there, you don't have one there. I'm looking to see if we have any breaks in this side right here. We had a 15. We have a 15 right here. Let's use that replayer tool again. Cut this off so we can watch what happens. Because this is how we see if breaks are going to break their move or not. Like if you're in trades and you're trying to see if something's going to break, again, if it holds this 5 minute, it's just going to go straight up and it's going to break that level. We haven't really found one yet that held except for this one, and it did its job. It actually held the move. It didn't break down below, and it went after its next level. And so this 5 minute can't hold, right? And so you see the same thing. You see the same thing where the levels actually, it just can't hold. So let's see if we can find another one here. Okay, so we have a 4-hour right here as well now. So this is another one that we could do. We have a 4-hour right here. That's an hourly actually. Sorry, let's see if it's a 4. It's not, it's just an hourly. Okay, so we have an hourly right here, which would technically actually be the 4-hour, and you can only break this move if you are able to get over top of this, right? So you can see right there, it has trouble, finally breaks it, and then it's not moving down anymore, and it starts its move up. Now, I'm going to do this on stocks as well. Just go to like ES1 or MNQ, ES1. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. So let's actually go take a look at something on the NAS as well. Where should we go? Let's go to well, we're on the 1-hour time frame, so let's just use this. Let's just, looks like we have something from back here. Okay, so we have a break level here. Okay, good. This is going to be a nice example. We'll just do it this one right here. And when you hit this level, if you can't hold that 15 minute, in our case, it's going to be an hourly because we've got a 4-hour time frame here because it is an origin. So let's actually, I'm going to keep this here, but you have this here. If you can't break rejection as target, you are going to break that level, right? So like if you were to walk through this move, every time you hit rejection as target, if rejection as target holds on the time frame down, you are not moving down, or you are going to break back up. Okay, so you hit it again here. So let's see the next rejection as target here. So that would now move up to right here, right? And you can see that this is trying to hold its move. It doesn't, and it pulls back, right? So where's your next target? What's happening next? You hit it again. If it can't hold this, it's going to break down. And this is how we see how break levels can be told what they're doing, if they're going forward, if they're going up and around. No matter what they're doing, you take your time frame, you go -1. If it holds that -1, the break level will break and you'll go up. If it doesn't, it will go down, as you can see here. That -1 time frame dictates everything. Let's find another example. Let's go to a 4-hour. Try to find something just random on the chart somewhere. What about like right in here somewhere? Is there some kind of break level that tested? That's hard closed. Is this a break? No, that's hard closed. Okay, so you don't really have anything here. Maybe there's like an hourly here. Let's take a look. You know what? I'm going to have to actually mark the 4-hour because I think I'm going to cut. That has to be below this. This is the wrong tool, but that's like really the wrong tool. It's going to have to be before this because that's where the 4-hour broke. We're going to have to find, we've got this here. Does this hit here? That doesn't hit. That does. Is this what hits? It is. Okay, perfect. So you've got a 4-hour time frame here again. So we've got that same example. I would have liked to just find a 1-hour time frame, but that's fine. You've got the 4-hour time frame and you've got rejection as target. And here rejection as target would be right here. So you've got the 1 hour, the -1 rejection as target right here. If this can't hold the move, it's not breaking. So you can even go here. Ooh, I don't know. This is pretty far back. I don't know how many time frames I'm going to be allowed to go back. I'm scared to hit the 5-minute, but I want more data. Yeah. So, okay, fine. Perfect. Right here. You can see you have your hourly rejection as target. You've hit your 4-hour level. You have your hourly rejection as target, and you are having trouble getting over top of it. The second you do, you need to be hedging that trade. That trade, if you hedge that trade, that is your polarity after the break level. That is the dictation of, is this going to break the move or not? And then you can see it just goes straight up, right? And we can find the next break level. We can just keep doing this. We can just keep finding break levels here. Hourly break level here, right? Hourly break level there. So even if we were to go to the 15-minute here and go see rejection as target, you'll often see where, oops, we want to keep that the same size. You're often going to see when you hit the break level, which is actually right here, that's when you hit it, it will attempt to hold its -1 time frame. So that was an hourly break. This is a 15-minute -1. It doesn't even hit it. As long as you stay above this, you need to be trade, because that's what's going to break your break level and create that polarity on the charts. This is a back test. This is how backside levels get created. This is how origins get created. This is the defining factor that says, can a break level turn it into an origin? Yes or no. So if we were to rewind this and say, okay, we hit this level, let's confirm it's an hourly, because I think I did mark the hourly. Yes, I did. Okay, good. This is the defining factor of, can this break level break up and over? You hit this level, can I go to a 5-minute? Yeah, I can. You hit this level, you need to get below the 15-minute rejection as target. Break levels will always target this. If you do not, you know that break level is breaking, just take a re-entry. Yeah, there, you had lots of, well, maybe not yet. You still need to break over the break level. You still need to hard close it. And there's your 15-minute hard close. So you would want to get in on the back test of that. Let's just actually gonna go forward 1 candle and see if that's a new 15. It is. Okay. And yeah, I don't even know if you actually get a chance to enter this. It would just go straight up. Actually, it just hits some kind of hold level here on the 5-minute, looks like, hits a hold level on the 5. But this is how we tell what break levels are doing. Let's go find another one. Let's go to the hourly and try to not find an origin. Let's try to find something smaller time frame, because finding 4-hour break levels is tough. Like that's, yeah, what about in here? Let's just randomly look through here. Sure, it's a good spot, middle of the screen. Let's find an hourly break level. Okay, well, we got one right here. I don't really like this one because we can see it's already broken. So it breaks right there, right? Breaks right there. So you got a break level here. You got another one here. Yeah, why not? We'll just mark both of them. You know what? Just do them both. A break level here. You have a break level there. Let's take the replayer tool, cut it here to begin with. We'll do this bottom one first. You've got a 15-minute break. You know what? We missed one. We'll do all 3. 15-minute break. Let's delete that. I don't think we're going to need it. Let's delete that. I think this is all old information from back when. So hourly break. Okay, so these are hourly breaks. Let's change them to blue. Go to your 15-minute time frames. Look for 15-minute rejection as target. That gets hit, right? As soon as that level gets hit, if you stay above this, you are breaking the break level. Straightforward and simple. If you go here and stay above this, you are breaking the break level. These are spots where you need to be hedging the actual level. So if you were, say, shorting these breaks, so if you were shorting this right here, short the break level, that's fine. You're trying to get below this. If it doesn't, you go up and you exit your short and you hedge it right there. And you hedge that break level. If you're short here and you get below this, you just hold, because whatever break level you're targeting on the bottom might be next, right? Like you might go here and target this break level, right? Like this is another 15-minute that got hit. And if you were to go to the 5-minute here, did the 5-minute hold? Because when this 15 gets hit, rejection as target is going to show you, can you get in this trade or not? Well, look at that. 5-minute rejection as target. Guess what? You back test and rebuy. Oh, you back test the actual hold level that it tried to hold. You back test rejection as target as polarity. It's always going to be the case. It always works like this. hit the break level. If it breaks above rejectionist target, hedge, right? So like it's like this also. If you pick this level to long, so you longed there, you start rejecting this, get out of your trade. You're not looking for anything else. This is it. You long here, the second you get over that, let it run. You go here, you start getting below this 15, you get out when you lose this 15. So if you were in a trade from here, you lose this 15, you get out because you're going to backtest it. That's where you exit your trade. If you were for some reason, we went too far. That's okay. That one is perfectly fine. If for some reason you were short from up here, the second you get over this, you hedge long into that backtest. Let's go look at the next one. These were all 1 hours, I believe, to be correct. Yes. So that one's fine. Look at that. You hedge it. You go over it. Can I do a 1 minute? Oh, I can. You don't even get the chance to re-enter this, right? Same thing with this. You have the hourly level. If you can't get below rejectionist target, if you hold rejectionist target, you're going above the move. Let's go find a 15-minute one to do. I don't think we can go that far back because I think we're going to get cut off, but let's try to find just something. Yeah, like what about this little range right here? 15-minute levels. Okay, sure, let's do it. 15-minute break level. Oh, is this one hit? That one is hit right there. So that's a good one to do. That's a good one to do. Okay, so let's start there. That's a good one to do. This was never hit. Okay, so let's start there in this little move here. I think I got them all. I got one right here too. We're just going to mark them all. You know what? Screw it. We'll just mark them all. I think that you have to use a certain common sense as well. And, you know, there might be hourlies here. Yeah, so this one's actually an hourly. So this needs to be changed to an hourly. I don't see how any of these could be 4 hours. And let's just start from the bottom. Okay, we have created this level. Okay, let's take the replayer tool, mark it right here. We've got some break levels on our screen. We've got this one here. We're going to create another one right there as the hourly. Okay, sure, great. Let's actually, whoa. Let's just hit a break level. You got the 15-minute break level. Where's the 5-minute rejection as target? 5-minute rejection as target would be here. So you've got this 5-minute rejection as target. Can you actually get over this and hard close it? Let's take a look. No. Oh, you did hard close it. Okay. So this is your next rejection as target. You're hitting it again. So if you longed this, you actually, and that's fine. This is trying to break the move and it does hard close it, but then it loses its move. That's fine. It's just a 15-minute level. It's not like it's the end of the world. Let's just see what happens here. Can't get over rejectionist target. You lose the move, right? Another 15-minute level here. Does this one actually get hit? It does. Okay, good. Rejectionist target is right here. If you can't get over this, you're going to hold the move down. That's going to become like a pretty big target for this thing to get over. Okay, it hard closes there, and then you can see retests going on rejectionist target. Perfect example. Rejectionist target hits the move, right? Hits this 15-minute level. The 15-minute level never hard closes. It needs to get over the 5-minute rejectionist target. It does. Take the back test, hedge the move. This one is nothing. Yeah, okay, so let's see the next one. We got to go to a 15-minute for this hourly because this is an hourly. Okay, so let's see what happens here. Hit the 15-minute level, right? Oh, sorry, the hourly level. Can we get under this? Yes or no? You don't even get under that. You hit the hold level. You hit the hold level and you just break straight through. Okay, 15-minute there. We hit it there. Can we get under this? If this continues to hold the move, you're just going to break up straight over. Yep, breaks up straight over. Your rebuy is on that 5. Break levels are magical little creatures. They can give you such perfect entries. It's crazy. This was the hold level. Did you ever hit the break over here? Let's clean some of this up. This was the hold level. Oh, you have a new break right here. Okay. Let's just verify that's also not on an hourly. No, there's no hourly hit. So you've got this. Now you have a 5-minute rejectionist target. Let's see if it can hold the move down. 5-minute rejectionist target would have been right here, right? Hit the level. That's your 5-minute rejectionist target. Gets there, tries, breaks up. You should be in a trade here. Okay, let's go look at ES1. Why not? I think it's almost the same chart, but let's go for something in, well, that doesn't look good. Let's just see something like right here. Sure, why not? We got a 5-minute level, 5-minute break. Let's take the replayer tool. Let's cut it right here. Let's make sure we cover all the break levels. Let's just start. I don't think you're going to have any 4 hours, but let's just look there first. You got a 1 hour right here. So let's just mark all break levels. 1 hour. No 15 independence. You got a 5 right there. And I think that's good. Okay, let's do the bottom side too, actually. No break levels there. Check the 15. Was this hit? Yes, it was. You got a 15 right here. And that 5, and nothing else was hit. Okay, good. So this is the rejectionist target right here for this trade. So let's walk through this from left to right. We're going to have both of these in this scenario because you got a break level right beside rejectionist target. So you have, okay, so let's walk through this from here. You have rejectionist target. This is going to be polarity on the trade. This is telling you, is this collapsing? Yes or no? Is this 15-minute collapsing? Yes or no? Okay. It's having trouble getting over rejectionist target. Hits that 5. Let's go see if that 5 can break. That 5 would have this 3 as rejectionist target. Okay. So that's why you're seeing this bounce here like this. Now there's some back and forth here. So this is a pretty small time frame, right? And you can see, even if you were to start laddering these 3 minutes, the second it loses that, it's trying to lose its move again. Now, again, you are back to the same scenario. You hit the 15-minute break. Where's your rejectionist target? It's the top of the move, actually. It's right there, right? So you're going to leave this on its original spot, and it's going to try to get over that in order to break the move, because that was the actual polarity of the move. When you have this 5 right here, you can always use the breaks on that to see if the localized part of the move would be rejectionist target, right? Yeah, it breaks that. It's actually, yep, it breaks that. We can just get rid of it. It didn't hold that. And then you've got that break level being hit there and that polarity there off that 15 trying to create, right? You go to the 5-minute here. This actually never hard closed. So get rid of this. You've got your polarity right here. When this hard closes, then it can move up, right? Now you're on the hourly. So now you're into the next part of the move. So there we see the hard close here. Now we need to go to the 15. That's gone. 15 is here. If it stays above this move is going up. It doesn't even get back down to it. Doesn't even get back down to it. I don't even think you had a move there. This was polarity on the move, and once it broke it, it just snapped up. But that's the power of break levels, is your break levels can be tied to rejectionist target to understand what's happening in the move. One last example of the most current piece of whatever we're on right here. You got a 4-hour break right here. Let's see 1 hour rejectionist target. Very, very simple, very straightforward. You have a break level, hits right here. Go like this, look for your hourly rejectionist target. That will become polarity on the trade. That would be this guy right here. You get above this, hedge your trade. Yeah, I don't even know if you get a chance. We just went to the hourly. Let's go to like a 3-minute chart. I don't even know if you got a chance. Yeah, you did. You got a chance to get back in. Go over top of it, back test it, get in the trade. Simple as that. Break levels are really amazing little creatures when you understand them. I think we just did these ones, actually. Yeah. And then is there anything current that we could watch? Let's go take a look here. What's current in this? There's no break levels there, none there, none in the hourly. You have one right here. Are you going to break this move? Yes or no? Break it down to its previous piece. Oh, trading view, stop freezing on me. Like the question is, you've got that hit right here. Are you going to break down to this range? Well, that's going to be dependent on the 15-minute level. 15-minute level, rejectionist target right there. No hard close yet. There it is right there. Hard closes it. Where is it next? Where's the next break level in this? I don't think we had any hourlies on the top, did we? No. So you're 15. So you're into the next part of this move. This is gone. You've got this. You've got this. So we're going to mark this, as well as, oops, this right here. And we break both of our break levels. These are 15s. Let's change the color. All these three are 15s. Go to your 5-minute levels. This one is gone. You can see it's broken that level. Well, it actually hasn't broken it on the 15, but that's fine. It's testing up above anyways. And you would need to hold this right here for this break level, right? Like, let's just mark both spots that you would need to hold. You would need to hold this right here for this break level. And this right here for this one. I wouldn't even use this. I would just use this for both, actually. I wouldn't even use that. I'd just use this for both. But that's why you see where this 5 minutes stops dead in its tracks. When you take a break level and you go -1, you're either going to hold rejectionist target and break up, or let it go and break down. And just kind of watch this thing play out next. Did it hit this? Yes, it did. Break level here on the 15. And this is very easy to apply. Anybody can do this. Break level on the 15. Does it hold this? Yes or no? Yeah, it just breaks straight above it. I didn't even know if it had trouble breaking. Yeah, like it tested it once and then it tested it again and just went straight over. Right? And then just goes straight over and that's it. And that's where you just, oh, okay, good. This hits again. Perfect. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. I don't think that 15-minute actually broke anywhere, did it? No, it didn't actually break. So every single time you're hitting this, you're just looking for the 5-minute, right? Like you're just, where's the final hit right there? So rejectionist target would just literally be on the same level right there. But that's fine. Like you get below this and it's just hit it so many times that, yeah, it doesn't surprise me that a 5-minute is right there. And then, yeah, you'd have to get all the way up here. There's no even point. Like when you hit this, that's like you're getting up. You're either boosting the move or you're not doing anything at all. Let's see if this hits anything. Let's let it play out a bit here first. Okay, where does it go? Down to here? What did it actually hit? Let's go find it. Was it this? No, that's never reached. Does it even hit a break level? Well, let's go see. No, I don't even know if this actually even hits a break level. Doesn't hit one there. So this actually doesn't even hit a break level. We can't use that. There's a break level hit. Let's clean up the rest of this. We'll probably need that 5-minute level actually. You know, we're going to keep that and just move it. Go down here. Let's verify if it's any other time frames. It is not. It's not a 15, right? It's just a 5. Well, this one will be easy because then it's just like once you hit that, you just have a 3-minute. And if the 3-minute can't hold, that's exactly why you see the back test of these rejectionist targets, because that's how break levels operate. You've got it there, right? I got to change this to orange. It's confusing me. Same thing with right here. You've got this is the same thing right there. It's going to, oh, sorry. Actually, it would be this one. This one right here. Hit the target, rejectionist target. That's why it tries to hold here. Hit this one here, rejectionist target. That's why it tries to hold there. You've got this here. That's why it back tests there, moves down. And then I'm sure you have some other level hit there. Probably just the hold level, right? The 5-minute hold. Yeah, the 5-minute break level, which is now a 15-minute time frame. So that gives you your +1, -1, right? You've got 15-minute being offset by a 5, holds it, breaks straight up. And you've got the 15-minute right here. I'm wondering if there's anything else that it hit here. No, there's nothing else that it hits there. Is there any other higher break levels it hits? Nope. Has rejectionist target here. Yeah, just gets right over it. And you can see right there, axis polarity almost every single time. That's how we use break levels properly to trade them, to hedge them, to see how they polarize a move, and to find out the most important part of any break level. They end up just creating polarity. Like it's like it's like a dam. It just day in, day out, water flows through. It's the same with breaks. It just always reliable, always rejectionist target, creating polarity on them. You either hold it and you move up, break it, you move down. For shits and giggles, we're going to go to crypto. We're going to go to Bitcoin, and we're just going to look at one of the current parts of the move. Sure, why not? What do we have here? 4-hour break on our screen. We got a pretty ugly diagram. Yeah, we got a 4-hour break level. So let's just go look for hourly rejectionist targets. See what happens. Right here, rejectionist target. Okay, you know what? We are going to use this. Rejectionist target. Crazy how it creates polarity. Insane every single time it works. Let's take a look. You have a 4-hour break level. You have the hourly. If this can hold it, you will break over it. If not, it will polarize the move. You see how it tries to attack this? Can't do it. Breaks straight down. And you actually created an hourly break here too. So that's actually kind of fun. Hourly break right here. Hits it. Where's the 15 rejectionist target from there? Oh, it's way up here at the 4-hour level again. Oh, okay. So like, yeah, you might go to the 4-hour level again here. And go to that 4-hour level. There it is. It goes to the 4-hour level. That's a little bit of a long-winded wait for that, but yeah, you'd be in the same thing here. You've got, oh, look at this hourly hit. Oh, now we can go to 15s. Okay, fun. 15 here. If this holds, we break up. Let's do that. Ooh, let's also, very fun. Let's do the hourly as well. 15 and the hourly. Okay, so then we can get rid of this, get rid of that, get rid of this. Oh, no, we want to keep that one. Get rid of this. Hey, we have the 4-hour with the hourly here. We have the hourly with the 15 here. Let's see what happens. This one's fun. Okay, 15-minute level rejectionist target holding. Starting to hard close, but still holding. I don't think this ever actually hard closed, right? Because it's just 15-minute level rejectionist target. There it is. Hit your highest time frame hourly. Go to the 15. 15 holds. Guess where you're going? Straight up. Here's another one. Here was, what is this, an hourly that I have marked? Or is this just a hold level? I don't even know what this is. Okay, this is nothing. Okay, was there anything here? Yeah, there's a 15-minute right here. Okay, perfect. 15-minute there. Look for the 5. Right? Can you get over the 5-minute rejectionist target? Yeah, see how you start to get over it, but then it polarizes the move, gains it, backtests and dumps. Every time break levels create rejectionist target, or create polarity on rejectionist target. Every single time on the -1 time frame down. Wait, did we do that one properly? Wait a second here. Oh, okay, because my colors messed me up because I keep forgetting to change them. I've done that many times in this example. You got a break level. It hits right there. Rejectionist target on the 5. Polarizes the move. You should enter up, and if it starts to dump, hedge back down. It's just polarity. It like literally does this every single time. There's the odd random time that something bigger is in play, and we went through very fast examples. So, I'm sure there's some times when we're looking at an hourly and there's something we're missing on the 4-hour, and the 4-hour did this or that, and the 4-hour was targeting the 1-hour bigger, and sometimes you're going to get blindsided. But going through them this fastly, like you got to check all time frames, of course, right? And yeah, you just got to make sure you don't miss your time frames, and as long as you don't miss the bigger time frames being hit, yeah, you're good. You're absolutely 100% good.